Today, we are going to show you how to add your favorite songs to your Instagram profile. It's a fun and easy way to share your music taste with your followers. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Look for the Edit Profile button. Tap on Edit Profile and scroll down until you find the Music section and tap on it. Now tap on the plus sign next to Music. This will open a search bar. Type in the name of the song or artist you want to add. You can also browse through popular songs or genres, or you can choose songs that you saved. Once you find the song you like, tap on it to select it. Instagram will give you a few options for song snippets. Choose the one you prefer. After selecting your snippet, tap on Done to save your changes. That's it! You've successfully added your favorite song to your Instagram profile. Don't forget to share your profile with your friends, and let me know what songs you've added in the comments below. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next one.